Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. In my last video, I gave a lesson on BL, CL, and FL sound and its words. Today in this video, I'll be giving a lesson on GL, PL, and SL sound and its words. And I hope in this video, kids will learn some new vocabulary words. So in order to learn more, watch it till the end. So let's start. Now let's study the GL blending words. What is the sound of G?
G.
G. And the sound of L? L. GL together makes the sound as G. Yes. And the sound of A? A. GLA, gla. And the sound of D? D. Glad. Glad means happy.
Happy?
Yes. Glad, happy, yeah.
Where? There, here?
No, I think here.
I think here.
Glad.
Glad.
Next. Yeah. Now next one. What is the sound of GL now?
G.
G. The G makes the sound G and the sound of L, L. G. And the sound of U, A. And the sound of M, GLUM,
Glum.
glum. Glum means unhappy.
Happy.
Unhappy.
Happy.
No, opposite of happy. Yes, unhappy, sad, glum.
And sad and happy.
What is the sound of GL?
G.
G. The sound of A, and the sound of SS, GLASS,
Glass.
glass. Very good.
Glass meaning
No, this is the glass. This is the glass.
glass here.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the sound of GL?
G.
G. The sound of IE,
I.
I, long sound I, and the sound of D,
The
GLIDE,
light.
glide. Glide to move continuously, smoothly, in a smooth motion. No, to move smoothly. Yes, that is called glide. Show me.
Light.
Show me here. So this girl is sliding, yes,
Yes.
by wearing a skating shoes.
You want
Glide.
light. Let's keep here. And here, Mama.
Okay, now next one. What is the sound of GL?
G.
G. And the sound of OE?
O.
O. Since there are two vowels, O is going to say its name. O. And the sound of V?
What?
GLOVE. The sound of V? V. GLOVE. Glove.
Glove.
Glove. Where are the gloves? Yes.
Glove.
Here is the glove.
There are two gloves and take it.
Now next one. What is the sound of GL?
G.
G. And the sound of UE?
U.
U. Here also there are two vowels. So U is going to make this sound. U. Glue. Where is GL? Glue.
Blue.
Yes.
Blue and here, no, here.
Remove your hand. Yes. Glue.
Blue.
Now next one. What is the sound of GL? G. And the sound of OE?
O.
O. When two vowels are there, it makes the sound. The first one makes, tell its name. O. Glow. And the sound of B? So GLOBE.
Globe.
Globe. Globe. Yes. It is called as a globe. Now next one. What is the sound of GL?
G.
G. The sound of A? And the sound of SS? GLASS?
X.
Glass. Glass. And the sound of ES? S. Glasses.
Glasses.
These are called as the glasses. Specs are called as the glasses. Remove your hand. Let me see. Yeah, keep it. Keep it.
With this. Finish.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Now let's study some PL sound of words. What is the sound of P? The sound of L. L. PL. Together PL makes the sound as
P.
P. The sound of U. And the sound of M. PLUM.
Plum.
Plum. Plum is nothing but a fruit. Where is the fruit? Yes. This is a plum. Now next word. What is the sound of PL?
P.
P. The sound of U. And the sound of G.
G.
G. PLUG.
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 It ends with G sound. Plug. Where is the plug? No. Where is the plug? Show me. Yes, this is called as a plug. This is a plug.
Like this.
Yeah. Yes, great. Plug. Now next one. What is the sound of PL?
P.
P. The sound of AY.
A.
PLAY.
Play.
Play. Play. It's nothing but a drama. Yes, play.
Play.
Do drama for an entertainment. Now next one. What is the sound of PL?
P.
P. The sound of AE.
A.
And the sound of T.
T.
PLATE.
Plate.
Plate. Yes. Where is the plate?
Plate only. Like this.
Plate. Yes, plate. Now next one. What is the sound of PL?
P.
P. The sound of AN. And the sound of T.
T.
PLANT.
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 Plant. This plant?
Where is the plant? Yes. Plant. It's a plant. Now next one. What is the sound of PL?
P.
The sound of AE.
A.
And the sound of N. PLANE.
Plant.
Plane. It ends with N sound. Plane.
Plane.
Yes.
Here. Plant.
Plane. Now next, what is the sound of PL? P. The sound of A. PLA. Pla. And NET.
Net.
Net. Pla.
Net.
Net.
Planet.
Planet. Where is the planet? Yes.
And where's here on the door?
Yes. Planet. Now next one. What is the sound of PL? P. The sound of AN. And PLAN.
Plan.
Plan. And the sound of K.
Cook.
So PLANK.
Plank.
Plank is nothing but a long piece, wooden piece. This is long, flat piece of a wood or any material is called plank. Yes, good. Now the last one is SL sound of words. Let's study that. What is the sound of S? The sound of L. Together S and L makes the sound as sl. Sl. The sound of I. What is the sound of I? E. And the sound of P. P. So SLIP. 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 Slip means to fall down. Where is the picture? Yes. Slip. Yes. Slip.
Slip.
Yeah. Next one. What is the sound of SL? Sl. The sound of A. And the sound of M. SLAM.
Slam.
Slam. Slam. To shut the door forcefully or loudly is called slam. Yes.
I opened it like this with that.
No, closing of the door. Closing of the door forcefully is called a slam. Shutting of the door. Okay. Now next one. What is the sound of SL? The sound of EE. And the sound of P. So SLEEP.
Sleep.
Sleep. There is a picture of a sleep. Yes, sleep.
Sleep.
Yes, sleep. Now next one. What is the sound of SL? Sl. The sound of IE? I. And the sound of C?
K.
K. But the sound of C here is S because after C you have the vowel E. So it makes the sound as S, not K. Okay? So SLICE. 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 It ends with S sound. Here C makes the sound as slice.
Slice.
Where is the slice? It's a piece of a cake or something is called as slice. Yes.
Yes.
Here this yeah. Slice. Slice is nothing but a piece of a cake or pie or something. It's called slice. Now next one. What is the sound of SL? Sl. The sound of IE? I. And the sound of D? D. So SLIDE?
Slide.
Slide. Yes. This is called as slide.
I don't like slide. I don't like.
Now next one. What is the sound of SL?
Sl.
The sound of IE? And the sound of M? So SLIME?
Slime.
Slime. Very good. What is the sound of SL? The sound of EE? E. Long E sound. E. And the sound of V? So SLEEV? Sleeve. Here E is silent. Sleeve. Show me where is the picture of a sleeve. Yes, sleeve. So that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you like it. And if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such blending words to make the learning easy for your kids. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.